Hola! Today we're going to learn some more irregular verbs in the preterite. We're going to look into the verbs ver, dar, tener, y hacer. Let's start with the verbs dar and ver, and we are going to see them together because they look very similar and they are pretty easy. The reason they are easy is because the preterite endings of these verbs, dar and ver, are the same as those of regular ER and IR verbs, except for the accent marks. So they don't get accent marks. That's the only difference. Let's see the verb dar, which means to give. So when you say I gave, you gave, he gave, etc., you say yo di, tú diste, él, ella, usted dio, nosotros dimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes dieron. The verb ver, to see, so if you say I saw, you saw, etc., you go yo vi, tú viste, él, ella, usted vio, nosotros vimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes vieron. So as you can see, the endings are the same of ER and IR regular verbs, except for they don't receive an accent mark. Okay, now let's take a look at the verb tener. The verb tener means to have, and the preterite form of tener is irregular because the stem ten changes to tuv, tube. So when you say I had, yo tuve, you had, tú tuviste. He, she, it had, él, ella, or you formal, usted tuvo. We had, tuvimos. You all had, ustedes tuvieron. They had, ellos o ellas tuvieron. And finally, this is a verb we've been working informally, the verb hacer, which has a double meaning. You need to be careful. The verb hacer could mean to do something or to make something. Like if I say, yo hago mi tarea, you mean I do my homework. But if I say, yo hago pasteles, I make cakes. So then you're using to make. The preterite of this verb is quite irregular. Look at the stem and take a look at the ele, usted form. The stem even changes from a C to a Z. Let's go over it. So when you want to say I did or I made, you made, etc., you go yo hice, tú hiciste, él, ella, usted hizo, nosotras, nosotras hicimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes hicieron. Well, that's all for today. If you have questions, you can ask me in class. Gracias.